This video will go through the model view controls. This is what we call the model view. You can find the controls in the top left corner of it. The first tool can be used to enable the translucent mode. Clicking this button, you can make everything translucent. It's a nice way to see things inside other volumes. You can go back to the opaque mode by clicking this button. The next tool can be used to hide volumes. Click it to enable it, and then you can start hiding individual volumes in the model. The state is also shown here in the entity tree. Under the volumes list, you can see which of the volumes are hidden. And you can also toggle the hidden state here. You can unhide all volumes and go back to the initial state by clicking the clear hidden button. The next tool can be used to hide surfaces. So it works the same way. Click it to enable it, and then you can start hiding individual surfaces instead of volumes. Again, in the surface list right here, you can see it's hidden surfaces, and you can also toggle their state here. And again, the clear hidden button will go back to the initial state. The next tool can be used to show the axis, like this. Note that you can also see the direction of the axis in the bottom left corner. You can rotate the view simply by dragging with your mouse or touchpad. If you hold down Shift and drag, you can move the model around like this. Zooming is done by pinching on the touchpad or with the mouse wheel. You can always go back to the initial state by clicking the last tool right here, which is the reset view. In the top right corner, we have the background color tool. You can change the background color of the view like so.